Addition questions. One plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 1 plus 11 is equal to 12. 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. 1 plus 13 is equal to 14. 1 plus 14 is equal to 15. 1 plus 15 is equal to 16. 1 plus 16 is equal to 17. 1 plus 17 is equal to 18. 1 plus 18 is equal to 19. 1 plus 19 is equal to 20. 1 plus 20 is equal to 21. 1 plus 21 is equal to 22. 1 plus 22 is equal to 23. 1 plus 23 is equal to 24. 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. 1 plus 25 is equal to 26. 1 plus 26 is equal to 27. 1 plus 27 is equal to 28. 1 plus 28 is equal to 29. 1 plus 29 is equal to 30. 1 plus 30 is equal to 31. 1 plus 31 is equal to 32. 1 plus 32 is equal to 33. 1 plus 33 is equal to 34. 1 plus 34 is equal to 35. 1 plus 35 is equal to 36. 1 plus 36 is equal to 37. 1 plus 37 is equal to 38. 1 plus 38 is equal to 39. 1 plus 39 is equal to 40. 1 plus 40 is equal to 41. 1 plus 41 is equal to 42. 1 plus 42 is equal to 43. 1 plus 43 is equal to 44. 1 plus 44 is equal to 45. 1 plus 45 is equal to 46. 1 plus 46 is equal to 47. 1 plus 47 is equal to 48. 1 plus 48 is equal to 49. 1 plus 49 is equal to 50. 1 plus 50 is equal to 51. 1 plus 51 is equal to 52. 1 plus 52 is equal to 53. 1 plus 53 is equal to 54. 1 plus 54 is equal to 55. 1 plus 55 is equal to 56. 1 plus 56 is equal to 57. 1 plus 57 is equal to 58. 1 plus 58 is equal to 59. 1 plus 59 is equal to 60. 1 plus 60 is equal to 61. 1 plus 61 is equal to 62. 1 plus 62 is equal to 63. 1 plus 63 is equal to 64. 1 plus 64 is equal to 65. 1 1 plus 65 is equal to 66. 1 plus 66 is equal to 67. 1 plus 67 is equal to 68. 1 plus 68 is equal to 69. 1 plus 69 is equal to 70. 1 plus 70 is equal to 71. 1 plus 71 is equal to 72. 1 plus 72 is equal to 73. 1 plus 73 is equal to 74. 1 plus 74 is equal to 75. 1 plus 75 is equal to 76. 1 plus 76 is equal to 77. 1 plus 77 is equal to 78. 1 plus 78 is equal to 79. 1 plus 79 is equal to 80. 1 plus 80 is equal to 81. 1 plus 81 is equal to 82. 1 plus 82 is equal to 83. 1 plus 83 is equal to 84. 1 plus 84 is equal to 85. 1 plus 85 is equal to 86. 1 plus 86 is equal to 87. 1 plus 87 is equal to 88. 1 plus 88 is equal to 89. 1 plus 89 is equal to 90. 1 plus 90 is equal to 91. 1 plus 91 is equal to 92. 1 plus 92 is equal to 93. 1 plus 93 is equal to 94. 1 plus 94 is equal to 95. 1 plus 95 is equal to 96. 1 plus 96 is equal to 97. 1 plus 97 is equal to 98. 1 plus 98 is equal to 99. 1 plus 99 is equal to 100. 1 plus 100 is equal to 101.